Hey guys, it's Clover. Welcome to my room. I wanted to just film a bit for a small room project I was going to do. Basically, me and my boyfriend swapped rooms a little while back, and he left this mirror on the wall, and I really liked the placement of it and the size and everything, but it was just solid black and didn't really match the aesthetic of anything else in my room, so I wanted to get that changed. I wanted to do one of those cool snap transitions, but it didn't work for some reason. Yeah, my room, this is what I hate about painting or doing any major room change. It's just your room's gonna be messy and awful, but it's for the betterment of the aesthetic. This is it with just I think 1 or 2 coats of paint here. We just painted right over it. We didn't sand it or anything, and it's actually getting some really good coverage, so I was happy with that. And then here, I just wanted to get like that perfect painter's tape rip, you know, get like that clean line. Oh. Gave it another go. So, okay. Yep. And first try. My boyfriend even 3D printed out some little, I don't know, filigree pieces that I painted gold, so I added those on to the mirror just for a little accent. He helped me out with putting, I think it's just called a bed crown. It's like a little shelf that you can basically hang some curtains off of. It's just kind of fancy and cute. And I always see them in like old school, I don't know, castles and stuff. So I was like, ooh, I want one. I had some little dollar store frames, little shelves that I was hoping to decorate with. These are some cute little vintage cherubs I got on eBay. And these were some shelves I found on Taobao. They're awesome. They had a bunch of different colors too. They're like little bows, like little ribbon shelves. Just a few decorations. I like that I can just change out whatever is sitting on the shelf for display sake anytime. Had some little stick-on heart hooks so I can kind of move the curtains around when I want. I got like a mega pillow. Oh, but I actually really like it. It makes the area so cozy and cute. So yeah, I really like how it came out. I hope it inspires you guys to maybe decorate your room a little bit too and just make your space super nice. See you next time.